Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back. So today we want to continue on topic one, which is benefits of alternative water resources. Okay, at the end of the topic, you will be able to discuss the benefit of each type of alternative water resources. Okay, so this is a few types of alternative water resources that we might discuss on the benefits. So the first one is rainwater harvestings, also known as RWH. And then we have groundwater, grey water, desalinations, reclaimed wastewater, and also stormwater harvesting. So in the previous topic 1.1, you already learned on the definitions of each type of these alternative water resources. So today we want to continue on the benefits of each of uh, the alternative water resources. So let's go through on the first one, which is stormwater harvesting. Okay, so basically the benefits of stormwater harvesting, the first one, it can help in preventing risk of flooding. Okay, because the stormwater that basically come from the rain will be collected, so we can reduce the surface runoff on the road, on the land also, and we can reduce the flood to occur. Okay, and then next one is protect the water quality. Okay, same goes to the first one, where we collect the stormwater harvesting. They are not seep or infiltrate in the soil, so we can reduce the uh, transportations of water as well as the water quality. Okay, last one is also prevent the soil erosions. Uh, Prevent the water to infiltrate in the soil and can cause soil erosion. Okay, next is advantages of RWH. Okay, anybody can use on a variety levels, uh, starting from a basic rain barrel to a complete rainwater collecting system. Sometimes the RWH combined with an irrigation system or domestic dumping. Okay, the RWH assists utilities in reducing the peak summer demand and allowing treated water to be safe for other critical and suitable water applications. Okay, so we can reduce the usage of fresh water during the higher demand, which is basically on uh, dry season. Okay, and then another benefits of rainwater, the collections may be a good instructional tools to educate people and also family on the importance of water consumption. So by implementing the RWH in our community may encourage them to start and begin to save water in other areas of their house. Okay, next is on the groundwater. First benefits of groundwater is it can act as a natural filter, which is active in the forms of rocks. So rocks throughout the groundwater can act as natural filter to the stormwater or rainwater. Okay, and then there is no water losses as a result of evaporations regarding the groundwater, because groundwater is located below the land, below the ground. So the water is not exposed to the atmosphere, so it cause no water losses by evaporation. Okay, number 3, groundwater have no requirement for expensive and environmentally damaging dam. Okay, the cost is less expensive compared to constructing a dam. Okay, and then groundwater also has a low pumping cost. Okay, so we have 4 basically the benefits of groundwater as the alternative water resources. Okay, so let's see another examples on advantage of uh, groundwater in terms of in the fields of irrigations or agriculture's aspect. For example, farmer can create an artesian well and then pump the groundwater from the well up to the surface. After that, distribute to the farm. Okay, so groundwater can be used as irrigations for plant in the farm. So the existence groundwater basically will support the farmer when the dry season, where the rainfall is at the lowest point. Okay, so we need alternative such as groundwater for irrigation. Okay, next, as clean water supply that does not have taste and color. So basically clean water must have a neutral pH, which is pH 7. And of course, it must not contain any harmful bacteria, such as E. coli. So this information shows that the groundwater is better than surface water, because basically surface water tends to contaminated because there is no cover of the surface water. Okay, because it is exposed to the atmosphere. So basically surface water is more contaminated than groundwater. Okay, next, in the field of industrial. In industrial sector, basically we need water as their raw materials. Okay, for example, is bottled water industry. Okay, beside that, another industrial activities such as batik, they also require water for production process. And as the alternative, the production process can use water from the ground water. Okay, move to reclaim wastewater. We have 3 benefits, main benefits. First is can be turned into a drinking water after undergo few treatments. Treatments include conventional treatments or maybe advanced treatment. And then treating wastewater is more affordable than using a fresh water. Okay, because we have a shortage of fresh water, so treating wastewater is basically affordable. Then we use a fresh water and need to pay the bill from the fresh water. Okay, last benefit is able to reduce amount of waste from the environment. Okay, then grey water. Grey water able to reduce the amount of water taken from the fresh water. Okay, so we can reduce the depletions or shortage of fresh water in future. And then grey water can minimize the amount of energy and chemical that necessary used to treat the water. Okay, then After the grey water being collected and also processed, they basically can normally be used, usually within the same building. Grey water basically used for domestic area, also as industrial area, and basically when we do recycling of wastewater, uh, the usage is among the buildings. Okay, we are not selling the clean water, but you are used back in the building. Okay, next is desalinations. Benefits of desalinations as an alternative water resource. Firstly, help with habitat preservations. Okay, next, it can ensure that people around the world have access to potable water which is clean and safe to drink. Okay, water that extract from the desalinations uh, can be considered as good quality because it is not dangerous to any living things. Okay, lastly, this type of water can be used to the agriculture industry. Okay, so some reference that you might refer for this first topic, which includes groundwater, rainwater harvesting, stormwater, reclaimed water, and etc. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, you can leave the questions in the comment and we can discuss in next class. See you. Bye bye.